Welcome to a ProductionNet tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an entry. To the Create Entry, you simply tap on the navigation menu and it's under Production, Create Entry. To create an entry, you can see on the right hand side of the screen there is a time selector. It is set to the current time, but can be set to an earlier time by just clicking on the screen. To continue, slide the side panel to the right. Now you can notice at the top of the screen there is the date, which is set to the current date. It can be set to a different date by just tapping on the date picker. The start time, which is what we just saw. The duration, it is pre-programmed with breaks. The actual operators, which are currently working at the work center. The work center, which is a drop down, and this can change from account to account. It may be just one option. The shift, and the desired tool. By tapping on the plus icon, you can add good parts. Make sure that the part number is selected accordingly. And just add the good parts by pressing on the number pad. Scrolling up, you can add the defects by tapping on the plus icon. Select the category, select the reason, and the number of defective parts. By adding another defect, you can tap the plus icon and add another part with a different category. For the downtime, just tap on the plus icon, tap the category and reason, add the downtime in minutes, and also to add another category of downtime, just tap on the plus icon, and to delete, tap on the trash icon. Make sure that everything is correct and tap on Create. You will be brought to the Entry Successfully Created screen, where you can now tap on the entry history or a new entry. Say we tap on the new entry. You will notice that on the right hand part of the screen where we have the time picker, the last time slot we used is full. So there are no repeat entries being made. Thank you for using ProductionNet.